Hey there, welcome to my channel where I take you on tours of tiny houses and creative homes. In today's video tour, we're going to take a look at one bus that's been converted into a nomadic tiny home with a stunning modern interior. The fun-loving couple behind this DIY bus conversion decided to follow their passions for scuba diving and full-time travel, and they wanted to tow their tiny house along with them. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. But let's jump right in and take a tour of this amazing tiny house.
Bonjour, moi c'est Audrey.
Salut, moi c'est Sam.
Hi, I'm Audrey.
And I'm Sam.
We are originally from Quebec, Canada, and we have been traveling in our skoolie for the last 6 months.
Bienvenue à bord de l'Octobus.
Welcome aboard! We've been together for more than 8 years now, and we've met in Gaspésia. At that time, Sam was working in a dive shop, and I was a tourist, and we fell in love.
We said we're gonna build a bus, we're gonna bring all our diving equipment, and we're gonna do the coast. That's always been our dream since we started dating.
So we've decided to name the bus the Octobus, obviously because we like diving. Plus another thing, we love the animal, the octopus, because this creature is able to adapt to everything, new environment, new places, and this is how we feel. We feel like an octopus.
We pretty much did everything in the bus. We didn't have any prior experience building. It took us 6 months full time to do it, but it's been such a great learning experience. The different thing about a skoolie build in Quebec is that we have a lot of laws, a lot stricter than here in the US. So we have to do a post-inspection after we transform the bus. We had to respect all the rules that the RV has to respect. I think we pretty much figure out what we could do and what we wanted to do, and we're pretty happy with how it turns out.
We've been living in the bus for 6 months now. Our motto is nomadisme mais pas minimaliste, which means we are nomads but no minimalists.
It doesn't feel like we're camping, it feels like we're in our house. Wherever we are, we feel like home.
I want to welcome everybody to the inside of the Octobus. When we were thinking about the design of the inside, we wanted to be an open floor plan. So this is the reason why we did keep all those big windows so the light can come in. We've painted the ceiling in white because we wanted to bring brightness to the room and to give an open space feel. We didn't want to have a corridor feeling. This is our living room. This is where we host people and they can stay for the night because this couch opens as a bed. I really enjoy my homemade curtains because they are blackouts. Let me show it to you. Just like this. Like that. So this is where we usually eat our lunch and supper. However, if we were to do it over again, we would make a bigger table so we can invite more guests. One day, one of our friends that we've met on the road gave me this amazing octopus. She made it out of recycled wood and some seashell that we got from the ocean. This is where our garbage bins are. So we have one for the waste and one for the recycle. We love them because they are big. Plus, I can cut my vegetables and fruits right here and throw the waste into the garbage. This is our 3-burner stove top, and we think that it is enough. We don't need more burners. And we also have an oven right here, and we appreciate it a lot because we do not have a microwave in the bus. We didn't get to choose our oven because we salvaged it from an old RV. That saved us a lot of money. What I like about our kitchen is that we have plenty of storage. And I also appreciate that that stays up. Maybe not now.
Okay, let's do it again.
We also like the fact that our cabinet stays up when we open them. We've decided to have a sealed granite sink because it is scratch-proof. However, we think that the sink is too big. This is our 12-volt refrigerator. It has 11 cubic feet, and that includes the freezer. We enjoy cooking, so we like the size of our fridge because we can store plenty of food inside. All the cabinets were made custom by Sam and Sam's cousin, who owns a kitchen refacing company. They are made of thermal plastic, and we love them because it's really easy to clean. Here is where I put my clothes and Sam's clothes. One of the cool features of the bus is that we were able to hide the wheel well into the cabinets. So we're in the bathroom, and this is our Nature's Head composting toilet, which we appreciate a lot. We've never had any smell issue with it. Plus, we did some modification for the urine compartment. So we added a pipe that goes straight away to the black water tank. The bathroom has a nice homey feel, and we got that by the wood and the tiles at the back at the toilet. Plus, we've added some octopus decoration, which we like a lot. So this is our shower. So to make it fit, we had to first cut the edges so that follows the curves. Plus, we have created this to lock the door while we are driving, so the door does not open. Welcome to our bedroom. This is our AC unit, and it works off of battery power. As you can see, the bed takes a lot of place. This is actually a king-size bed. We didn't want to buy another mattress because, you know, they are really expensive, and we loved ours. However, I find it quite annoying when Sam has to climb over me to get out of the bed. At night, we enjoy to watch movie in the bedroom. This is where we put our projectors, and we can watch the TV on this screen.
I can see a change in myself and Audrey since we started. We have a more open-minded way of seeing things. It's been really enlightening for us.
Life has been so beautiful since we've been living on the road.
We didn't say that when we were at home in our apartment or wherever. We just stop and contemplate what we're living right now. It's been crazy just to sit down and say, wow, that's a nice life.
Thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon with another tiny or creative home tour.